Here is how to cook a delicious stir-fry noodles with shredded chicken. This recipe works perfectly for Indomie, ramen noodles or any other instant noodles, and it is ready in 20 minutes. This recipe is perfect when you want something really delicious but simple and it doesn't stress you out. Here is how to make it. Bring 3 packs of noodles into a pot of hot boiling water and allow to cook for 3 minutes. Don't allow the noodle to turn out too soft so they don't break. When the noodle is halfway cooked, remove from heat and drain it through a strainer. Rinse the noodle under running water to stop it from cooking further. Once you've done that, set it aside to drain. Next, place a medium-sized pan on the stove top. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to it. Once heated, crack in 2 large eggs. Stir lightly with a wooden spoon to help scramble it. Go ahead and season the eggs with a pinch of salt and a little bit of chili pepper and stir this to mix well. Once this is well cooked, transfer the eggs into a dish and set aside. You can add more vegetable oil into the pan. Then go in with your diced onions and saute for 1 minute. Add your fresh celery stalks and saute these for 2 minutes until fragrant. Once this starts to smell really nice, add in your diced carrots, red capsicum, and 2 cups of diced tomatoes. Stir fry all of these veggies for about 5 minutes until they are softened. Next, add in your tomato paste. The tomato paste adds a little bit of redness to the stir fry noodles. Also, add in your shredded chicken. Now saute the veggies and the chicken to combine properly. Once you have stirred this well, go ahead and season the veggies with the seasoning from your noodles pack and stir again to combine well. It's now time to combine the noodles with the veggies and chicken. Bring in your boiled noodles and carefully toss the noodles and the veggies to mix well. I have a video on how to shred your boiled chicken. The video will appear now at your top right hand. When it is well combined, add a few red chili peppers for heat and then return the scrambled eggs into the noodles. Toss these to mix properly. Once you have stirred this and everything is well combined nicely, let the noodles sit on low heat while you stir fry it occasionally until it is well heated. Once you are happy with the taste of your stir-fry noodles, it is ready. This stir-fry noodles recipe doesn't really require any special skill. It is indeed a complete one-pan meal that is easy to make and it is ready in 20 minutes. This really turned out amazingly delicious. It is perfect for when you want something really delicious without too much stress. And that was how to make a simple but tasty stir-fried noodles with shredded chicken and eggs. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. You can also subscribe to the channel if this is your first time. See you next time and bye!